Hey everybody, welcome to Wednesday Wrap. It's Brad Calobrace. I'm really happy to talk to you today a little bit about facial aging. We forget to talk about it sometimes, what's really involved, but I've always told patients it's three things. It's changes to the skin canvas, it's loss of volume, and it's also sagging. So of course we use skincare and lasers for the skin, and we use volumizers like injectables and fillers, sometimes fat, to add volume. But the only thing we've really ever had for sagging has been facelifts until today. At CaloSpa, we now have Profound, a radio frequency device with microneedling to tighten and lift the skin, and Ultherapy, high intensity ultrasound as well, to do the same thing with no downtime. So these are two great new devices that are available at CaloSpa, and we really hope you'll come and see those, especially at our open house on November 8th. See you then.